back. I'm Christina Side Street Market. I'm chilling with Michelle and Newton's Cupboard and Lori, Blue Flamingo Mercantile. We're at the Beehive Antiques in Holly Hill, Florida. We're right on a main road here. So if y'all are in Florida, be sure to come check them out. We're gonna go in and see what goodies we can find. Alright guys, so Lori and Michelle and I were kind of chatting here. I've been pointing out that I had that shaker before. There's Lori. Hey Lori, Blue Flamingo. You guys may hear a bird and the cat in the background because that's real life right here. So I'm just kind of showing you around the entrance. There will be some voiceover, there will be some actual talking. It's just we were having a good time as girls hanging out, chatting and catching up. I wanted to point out Beehive Antiques. Can you guess why it's called Beehive? Look at that gorgeous window they have. That looks like a beehive. It's just really catches your eye when you're driving by. It's a really cool feature of the store. This place has got a great mid-century hip boho feel and just lots of great treats. So we're just going to dive in and see what goodies we can find. There's ephemera. I wasn't really in the mood to dig for ephemera. I thought this was a neat, it was like reverse printed on the glass. I'm always looking at the art. And then I spy the box of jewelry. Are we going for it yet? There we go. Now I'm diving in. And just kind of going through and seeing if there's anything that super jumps out to me. Because it's always fun to dig. I liked that one. That was a cool bracelet. Some pearls. You know what I should have done? I should have taken my black light to it and seen if anything glowed and grabbed stuff that glowed. I didn't even think of that. But luckily this place is close enough that I could definitely go back and check it out. And I'm sure I will be very soon. Because we really enjoyed shopping here at the Beehive Antiques. Oops. I dropped something. There I go, making a mess. I think those were tiger earrings. I was debating on those. They were screwback tiger earrings. A pretty bracelet. I forget what those are called, where it kind of is spring loaded. That one was pretty, kind of like a fan with some rhinestones on it. Okay, and now we're moving on. There's one corner over here that has lots of planters, and I think I'm going to end up heading over to the clothing section so the girls can kind of be up front talking, and I can kind of like show you guys different areas from where Michelle and them are. Sorry if you hear Holly. There's all the nesting bunnies and hens. Lots of beautiful pottery pieces. Some kitchenware. And then there's a trivet. That's cute. I think I may have actually bought this for my collection. Yep, it looks like we're heading to the counter. With maybe a detour for a few shiny objects. There's Lori. Sorry, I'm swirling you guys around. I was explaining to her how I do voiceovers. So you guys get to look at the parrot for a second while I talk to Lori. There we go. And now we're checking out the cupboards up by the front counter since I just dropped off my trivet. There's Michelle in the corner. And there's Lori. Hi, everyone. Now, I didn't get that front corner, so if you go over to Michelle's video, you'll get to see some of the shop that I didn't get to. I did pick these up. These are like dipped style candles. Michelle was helping me try to figure them out. There is quite a bit of paint loss on them, but I thought they were still kind of fun and funky. So I did pick those up. And now we're continuing to dig through the front area and see what goodies we can find. I like the brass cat and the little owl, of course. The brush lady was really neat. I think I spotted that Disney down there and I was telling Lori about it because we know she loves her Disney. Just every corner there's something. You could really spend a lot of time here digging through all the treasures.
Beehive Antiques. How may I help you today?
Now I'm looking at some of the brooches on the front here, and I am letting some of the background audio play for you guys so you can get a feel for the place. And then I spot the bangles, of course. Always loving the jewelry. I like that polka dot one. That was really neat.
That's fun. I'm gonna go backwards. I'm gonna start back here. All right, friends, these are for all you who love vintage clothes. Here we go, guys. So we're at Beehive Antiques, Holly Hill, Florida. If you're in northeastern Florida, be sure to check them out. I'll have their Instagram link below and their address. Tons of cool clothes, guys. Lots of great styles. Let's check out this purse up here, because that looks cool. Oop. Okay, let's see if we can find the price. $6. The outside's cute. Let's check out the inside though. Just needs a little cleanup with a roller. I think we can do that though. And there's another one back here with flamingos on it, and Lori's with us. Check out that, guys. $150. That is very cool. Put that back up. Oh, I love the kitties. Can you guys see the kitties? Oh, that's neat. That's really cool. Is that a pillow? Oh, look at that. That is fun.
You go, there's going to be different items that you'll bring home.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah. Well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
That's
you,
just kind of
too.
odd.
I'm just going to do a voiceover here real quick, because leave it to Michelle to come to Florida and meet someone else from Kentucky. The only other people in the whole shop. So they were talking about where they're from and all that, so I wanted to protect their privacy. So we went and we brought those calendars up to the front, and the owner is checking with the vendor to see what the price is on them. That was a really cute, like, trash umbrella can. So if it's like between $8 to $10 a piece, I was going to get all 5 of them. So we are waiting while he is checking on that, and I'm going back through the linens. I probably could have spent a lot more time in the linens. There was a lot of cute things. So definitely a second trip is needed. This was the shot for my cover. I just liked the Afghans and the doll and the layout. And now we're heading into the back room, which is where all the art goodness is. I found some good stuff back here before, guys, so we're going to check out this back room. It's a little quieter. I'm trying to do opposite so that Lori and them have time to show you what's up front. And we are just going to kind of scope. Ooh, there's lots of artwork. Oh, this is so, oh my gosh. You guys know I'm a sucker for the velvet art, so let's start checking out some of these kitty cats. I said I wasn't doing art. 38. The velvets are $10 each. It's a little girl and boy praying. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to do it. Yep. Oop, we've got some $75. So if you're in the area, guys, they've got some of the blow mold Christmas candles going on. It looks like we have a little cross stitch boho, $12 embroidered pillow. No scent. Cute. We'll get that too. I am stocking up here, guys. My arms are filling up.
all the cute little figurines. So I found one of these horses in a grab box at Goodwill, but it was not in that good of a condition. Okay, we're gonna take our hoard up and then come back. Okay, now I'm recording, guys, because that would help if I actually push the on button. I actually just put a piece like that yesterday. And there's Michelle laughing at me because I totally forgot to hit record.
No, I'm laughing with you.
Uh-huh. I'm just glad I noticed it before I got farther, because I looked down, I'm like, hey, that's at 0. Oh, it's a Christmas kitty cat. Oh, it's like I Spy. Oh. Oh, that's 18. I'm gonna get out of the way. We've got some Shawnee wishing well going on. We've got the nesting hens. Oh. Okay, guys. I said I wasn't gonna be buying myself stuff today, but that's New York, New York. And y'all know.
Yeah, we record videos and post on our channels.
It's just where you've been?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And shopping and stuff.
Yeah.
So people want to see how you're shopping?
What we're finding.
Yeah.
Michelle, I found something else for me. Are you shocked? Oh, we have our Bob Ross, guys. Oh, I got the sniffles. 16.
I bought a lot of school sticks the last time when we were still sitting.
Really?
Yeah, they're still trying.
Your turn. Oh, pair of prints. I like these vintage. I don't think at that price.
Yes, sir.
We lost Lori. Oh, this is pretty. I think small dish, $6. We're gonna do that. Let's see what else we find. Oh, look at the poodle down here, guys. Oh, it's a decanter. That hourglass tile is cool.
That's quite amazing, isn't it?
No, like for last month, I think I lost out a week because of fight at night. So like, actually, it's a pretty good month.
You know, it's just a hobby. Every time I tax man, it's just a hobby.
So at this point, guys, I'm quiet because I'm just kind of really looking over the shelves and really trying to find some goodies. I liked this set. I've actually seen this set in a couple of the antique malls. Each time it's been a little bit, there's been a little bit more. And then I spotted this rock art at the bottom, and I thought that was really, really neat. I contemplated it. So I think it was like $40 something for the set, and I thought maybe I could piece them out, but then I changed my mind and put them back because there was some loss on some of them. It did get a little loud here, so I'm going to voice over this part because some of the vendors were coming in and I don't want to catch their conversations. So this booth had some great glass, and I think I was in this one with the vendor and she was kind of pointing out some items to me. She has some great pieces of glass. There were some really cute cat pieces. Just items I hadn't seen, like this purple dish. I'd not seen it in purple before. So that was really pretty. It kind of caught my eye. A different type of color. There's console bowls. I'm pretty sure that probably glowed. It was a really neat fruit dish. I really like the old photos. That was neat. It was like a cat jar in amber. Sorry, I'm moving a little quick. There were some more cat pieces. Just trying to take it all in. I think that was a black amethyst nesting. So that was different. It was the two birds. I think it was black amethyst, which I'd not seen. I've seen the blue a lot. I really like those old photos. I'd have a gallery wall of those, but then people might not visit me, so. Ooh, sorry, I'm spinning. Ooh, easy does it, Christine. Easy does it. I think I was talking to the vendor, that's why I was spinning around. So there are some booths inside this antique mall. And now we're moving to the next one. Here's some purses. We like purses. That was kind of a neat, like figural art piece. Oh, that is so cool, guys. Check that out. That is so neat. Wow, I've never seen one like that. Yeah, that pod flower piece was really, really cool. So much ephemera, oh my goodness. Oh, I did it again, didn't I? Nope.
Can't believe you passed this up.
Aw.
Oh, is that 7?
Yeah. Yeah, that's why.
Never mind.
Oh, look at the kitty with the crystal. Is he 10? Oh, crystal kitty cat. Oh, I like that mid-century piece, 55.
It's in really good shape. It's a George Fancy design, but it's so there's one like that they licensed to
There's Lori. We spy a Lori. Blue Flamingo. I don't even think I really got to dig into some of these booths. It's just, even though this is a smaller place, they do have it very well packed with lots of treats. And I think I spotted these coasters. I'm going to head back and chat with Lori. So I did bring these back to see if Lori wanted them for her collection. And then we just kind of chit-chatted. There's a Joseph girl. And of course, Lori found the seashell, our ocean girl. That was a neat little cream and sugar set. I've heard of Nova Studio before. And then this one's set up a little like a kitchen. I like the phones. Lori and I were pointing out and talking about the phones there, because I've bought and sold some older phones and they did okay for me. And then I spotted this little vase. And with this one, it was something different I hadn't gotten before, and it had mother of pearl inlay, so I thought I'd give it a chance. Something, you know, just different to put in my shops. So we picked that up at only $6. That was a good price. And now I'm looking for any last little treats, because we're almost wrapped up here for the day, guys. Or at least for the morning it was when we were shopping. Oh, I didn't even see, did I see that carnival glass bowl? I think I missed that bowl. Alright guys, well I'm not sure if we got a ton of video here, but we've been having a lot of fun, us girls hanging out. I'm going to kind of go ahead and wrap this one up and see what my fun damage is for today. And stay tuned because I'll be back with a haul video.